I'm WeatherBug meteorologist Rachel Peterson. Did you ever wonder why the days are so long in the summer and so short in the winter? Well, it has to do with the tilt of the Earth. During the year, the Earth travels around the Sun in its orbit, but it's tilted 23.5 degrees. So at different times of the year, either the northern hemisphere or the southern hemisphere is closer to the Sun. So if you live in the northern hemisphere, such as in the United States, the Earth is tilted toward the Sun in the summer and away from the Sun in the winter. The shortest day of the year happens during the winter, when the Sun is at its lowest point in the sky, which means the Sun is only above the horizon for a few hours. This is called the winter solstice. North of the equator, this happens between December 20th and 23rd. In Chicago, there are only 9 hours and 20 minutes of daylight on winter solstice. South of the equator, it's the opposite. In places like Australia, the winter solstice happens between June 20th and 23rd. The winter solstice marks the beginning of astronomical winter in the northern hemisphere. It's basically the turning point where the days begin to grow longer and the nights get shorter. The winter solstice happens for 1 second at a specific time, but we recognize it as an entire day. People from many different cultures have held solstice celebrations for thousands of years. For our distant ancestors who depended on hunting, gathering, and growing, the seasons and the weather played an essential role in their lives. Passing the winter solstice meant return of the sun, which seemed to be disappearing. Many religious and cultural traditions celebrated the rebirth of the sun after this dark period.